Welcome back, folks. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Amy. I am a Canva coach and a Canva community certified trainer. And today we're going to take an image and turn it into a video or an animation. So today I'm using an egg, and I'm here in the Pro section searching for an egg that I like. But I'm not necessarily going to be using this egg because with the Canva video image to video, you can't use pro features like a pro image. So I've got this free egg, and what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to click on the egg that is a pro item and copy the style, and then I'm going to copy that style onto this pink egg to kind of spruce it up a little bit. Now with the image to video function, it is a Canva Pro feature, part of Magic Studio. I'm going to duplicate my page and I'm going to get rid of that Pro egg. I'm going to click on my pink egg. I'm going to go to Edit, and under Magic Studio, we're going to look for the image to video option. Here it is right here. I'm going to use the custom option to tell Canva to have the egg crack and a rabbit pop out. Once you're happy with your prompt, just click on that purple button and it will start to generate the video from the image that you have provided. Now you can use any kind of an image for this, and I believe that the AI credits span all across the AI features in Canva. So here we have the video, the egg breaks and the rabbit pops out, which is super cute, I think. So I'm going to go ahead and add that design to my workspace. And what I'm going to do next is I'm just going to stop this video. I'm going to use my snipping tool to make a copy of the image so that I can use it in the next animation. So here's my snipping tool. I'm going to click new, and I'm just going to copy this image. And now I'm just going to paste it on my workspace. Here it is right here. And we're now going to use the image to create the second part of our animation. And for this part, I want the rabbit turning to the right and hopping away. Pretty cute. Not exactly what I asked for, but it is pretty cute, I have to admit. So I'm just going to add that to my workspace. Now, if you want to see me put these two videos together in another video to show you how I would construct a video, let me know in the comments. If this is a feature you think you're going to use, let me know in the comments as well. And if you don't have Canva Pro and you want to try this feature out, just look in the description of this video. I've got an affiliate link for Canva Pro that allows you to try it out for 30 days, absolutely free. Anyhow, if you like this video, if you learned anything from this video, press that like button, subscribe, and turn your notification bell on. All right, guys, for now, I'm going to say bye-bye. Until next time.